What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is BrookeEbonie. I upload videos about aesthetics, business, lifestyle, a little razzle-dazzle here and there. But as you can see by the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Vajacial today. We're going to start off by applying the cleanser. Apply. And yes, I am using my facial brushes. Y'all know I love to use my facial brushes. Don't let nobody bully you into using your hands to apply cleanser if you don't want to, honey. Anywho, speaking of brushes, I did want to show you guys this brand new spin brush that I got. Let me go ahead on and flip the screen real quick. This is the Duval Spin Care System brush. I am so in love with the stand that it is sitting on. It has a body brush. It has two facial brushes, a pumice stone brush, and a nail file brush. You guys, did you see that coupon code that I just left on the screen? You'll get 70% off. The link will be down in the description. But let's go ahead on and see how it works. Y'all, I'm in love, baby. I love this brush. That body brush is perfect for Brazilians. I mean, Vajacials. Ooh, it's perfect for Vajacials. I am also so just, look at the way that it is, the coverage, the way that it is pushing that product and getting it down there into the skin. Oh, it is the perfect addition to my tools, because y'all know I love my tools, honey. And I'm just so in love with this. I'm gonna have to go on the site and get another one so that I can have it for private use at home. But yeah, the link will be down in the description, and you can use code BrookeEb for 70% off. So as you can see, we're gonna go ahead on and wipe off that cleanser. We're going to go right into our exfoliant. This is which one is this one? I'm thinking, y'all, hold on. A mechanical. This is a mechanical exfoliant, which means it removes dead skin cells, all that good stuff that needs to be removed, using a scrub type substance. So it's really just like a cleanser with a scrub type substance inside of it. But yeah, we're just going to use that today because that's just the one that I chose to use. She comes every 2 weeks. So we didn't have to go like super duper hard with the exfoliant today. Plus, it's almost time for a Brazilian, so I don't want to overstimulate the skin. As you can see, she does have a lot of hair growth. So, but y'all, look at that brush. Look at how that brush is. Look at that. Like, I'm so excited that I decided to partner with Duval on this video, because this brush is everything. And I'm not even just saying that. Like, I'm so serious. Like, whether y'all decide to go grab y'all one or not, honey, I'm here to tell you I am in love with this brush. Look at how, look at that. You just cannot beat that. Like, the handle on it is so easy to hold. It's just, y'all, I legit ran out of towels, so I had to break out my sponges. And I do not like using sponges because it seems like they fill up with product really quickly. But hey, honey, the show must go on. There is money to be made. We cannot be canceling appointments because we ain't got no towels. Use what you have, honey. Use what you have. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and go right into her extractions. I had to apply a little bit of, oh, Lord, I got to think again, y'all. Hold on. Disincrustation fluid. I'm applying a little bit of disincrustation fluid that always loosens up the white heads and the black heads, and it makes extractions easier. It will be linked down in the description as well if you want to go and copy some. And no, I did not zoom in on these extractions because this video is about performing a Vajacial. I don't even know if y'all gonna be able to see this video because sometimes YouTube be hating and they probably gonna make it like a restriction or whatever, I don't know, and then I might have to take this down and just, throw it over there on my OF account. But I did want to let you guys know about that Duval Spin Care System brush. It's the Brilliant Spin Care System brush. It's the one that does have the cradle that you saw it sitting in. And I did want to let you guys know about that. So if you do catch this video, and it might stay up, it might not. But if you catch it, then you know I put you up on game. I put you up on game if you are a student esthetician, if you are a solo esthetician, if you are an esthetician that just wants to start doing vajacials, baby, go grab you that brush. I'm putting you up on game. So now that we are done with her extractions, we're going to go ahead on and apply some toner. And now we're going to go ahead and apply the mask. Now, this mask is a holographic mask. I got it because it was purple. It does have a lot of beneficial ingredients for the skin inside of it. I can't think of the brand name off the top of my head right now while I'm doing this voiceover. Y'all, I'm 34. I'm 34, and I got 4 kids and a bonus child. Honey, this mind is just not what it used to be. But I will... Well, I'll probably have to link that a little bit later. So just come back to the video, watch it again. You know what I'm saying? Engage with your girl. Help me out. Help me raise those views. Come watch it again. And then check the description box when you watch it like the second time or the third time. Because knowing me, I might forget. Comment on the video and be like, girl, what was that mask that you used? So that way I can remember. But I do love this mask. It makes the skin look so bright and just so glowy and dewy. Oh my goodness, honey. Talk about a pretty kitty. This mask is, you really don't even need to use moisturizer afterwards. I mean, I still apply my kitty butter because, you know, that's a good product. I hand make it, but yeah. So while we are letting this mask sit and do and work its magic on the skin, let's get back into this brush. Look at that. Pop that in there like that, honey. Press that button. And you don't have to keep holding the button. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I was doing, y'all. Ignore me. You ain't got to keep holding the button. All you got to do is just press the button. Press the button, honey. And look at that spin. Y'all, I'm so serious. This brush is everything. Them little cheap brushes, they get the job done, but baby, they are not like this. And like I said, this brush is originally $145. Use code BrookeEb and get 70% off. Honey, save you a little coin and go ahead on and get that. I can't wait to get my feet, honey. Boy, my feet gonna be so smooth. I gotta go get me another one for home and one because I can't keep taking it back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the different heads that came with the brush and show y'all that cradle there, honey. I don't even know why I did that. Like, this body brush is everything, y'all. I'm just, as you can see, I am too in love with that. I'm so happy that I partnered with Duval on this video. But let's go ahead on and sit this back in its cradle and get back to work. So, shameless plug. Y'all know I just made a new product. This is my ingrown hair spot treatment to help those ingrown hairs that we pluck out to heal. Go ahead on. Link will be down in the description. Grab you some of that. We're going to apply our kitty butter, and that is going to bring us to the end of the service. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below. Let me know. If you haven't already, go ahead on and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.